Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the media and preparing for changes. Verify whether it's a USB, SD card, or external drive, then back up accessible files. Once done, inspect the physical write protect switch on the card or adapter and toggle it. Make sure the reader isn't the problem by testing another port or adapter. If the switch and reader are fine, proceed to Windows Disk Part to remove software-level protection. List disks, select the correct disk, then clear the read-only attribute. Continue by removing software-level protection. Open an elevated command prompt and run disk part. List disk, select the target disk, then attributes disk clear read-only to remove the flag. This often restores write access. Once done, run attrib on the mounted volume to clear read-only, system, or hidden flags for files and folders. If you're on Windows Pro, check local group policy or the storage device policy's registry key and set write protect to 0. Finish by verifying write capability. Create a simple text file and copy a small folder to the media. If writes fail, reinstall USB or storage drivers, and if acceptable, run disk part clean, create partition and format using a supported file system such as NTFS or FAT32. Finally, safely eject and reinsert to confirm persistence. If problems persist despite these steps, one key troubleshooting tip: suspect hardware failure, test the card in another device or adapter, and replace the media if it remains write protected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.